Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss a numerical on the basis of gravitational force. I hope you remember gravitational force. Gravitational force is represented by F, and a gravitational constant we are using in this is represented by capital G. Now, in this numerical, some things they have given to us, like what is the magnitude of gravitational force. Firstly, we have to find magnitude of gravitational force F between the earth and a 1 kg object on its surface. Means we will just discuss about an object on the surface of earth. Like this is earth, the radius of the earth is already you are having in the numerical given 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 6 meter. Like this is the radius of the earth, and on the surface of the earth an object is lying whose mass is 1 kg. Now in this situation, if we will consider the two objects, suppose one is mass and another one this small object. So mass of the earth we will consider as capital M, and mass of the object we will consider as small m, and the distance between both means from the center of the earth to the surface of the earth means the radius of the earth. If we will consider from the mass and the object is lying on the surface, so this will be radius of the earth. So this we will consider as the radius of the earth, means the distance between both the object, the distance between earth and the object lying on the surface of the earth. Now mass of the earth 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg given. At the same time radius of the earth 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 6 meter is already given. Now how we can just start solving the numerical. Firstly, we all know universal law of gravitation. Like universal law of gravitation, as you know, F is equal to gmm upon r square, where capital M is indicating mass of earth, small m is indicating mass of the object lying on the surface of the earth, r the distance between both, or we can say this time in this case r is the radius of the earth, because object is lying on the surface of the earth, means from the center of the earth to the surface of the earth the distance will be equal to radius of the earth. So for this situation we will consider r as the radius of the earth. The values of all things has given, like we can just think mass of the earth already given in the question 6 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg. Mass of the object, small object which is lying on the surface of the earth is 1 kg. Universal gravitational constant already we have discussed 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. This is capital G. We have already in the very much detail discussed. This is acceleration due to not acceleration due to gravity, small g. This is gravitational constant which we have already found in some before numericals or derivations we did for this universal. Through universal law of gravitation we got the value of capital G. Now radius of the earth already we are having, it can be considered as capital R also, or small r, the radius of the earth 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 16 meter. All these values we will put in this formula. This formula means the formula of universal law of gravitation. Now after putting the value, F is equal to G 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11, the value of M, the value of small m means the object's value, and the radius. After calculating we got the force is 9.8 Newton. This is a fixed value we got. The force applied on an object which is lying on the surface of the earth is 9.8 Newton. So with the help of such this universal law of gravitation formula, we can find the force between them, we can find the distance between them, and many more things we can find easily with the help of such formulas. Thank you.